Hey, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to pick the correct drill bit for both screws and for bolts. And this is how you do it if you don't have a gauge or anything handy, or if you don't own one. It's an older technique, but something that works pretty consistently well. And I hope it helps. So this is a technique that my dad taught me way back when I was a kid, back now in the 1970s. But it's important to realize that there is a difference between selecting a drill bit for a screw and selecting a drill bit for a bolt. So with the screw, basically what you do is you take a drill bit that is the size of the shaft of the screw. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the drill bit and put it behind the screw, and to verify that you can see the threads to the outside of the drill bit, and then you can bring it to the front of the screw and verify that you can see the threads to the outside of the drill bit on that side as well. Do that a couple times to make sure that you have the right size. You should be able to not see the center shaft of the screw, but you should be able to see the threads. So bolts aren't as big of a deal. They aren't as difficult to find the right size drill bit, because all you have to do is match the size of the drill bit inside and outside to your bolt, because you have the bolt that you're going to go have a nut on, and you have the shoulder of the bolt to hold everything in place. So it's not as critical that you get exactly precise. This one might be a hair too small. I'll give it a shot first. I want it to be pretty snug going in anyway, so we'll see if that works. But at any rate, that's basically all I do, is just compare the drill bit in front of it and behind it to see if the drill bit disappears entirely. It does. See here, it kind of disappears almost. Well, it might be. It's very close. We'll see. That's all there is to it. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content. See you out there.